What's going on, guys? Your boy Sean Parvega with Dropshippers, and in this video just want to explain to you guys what is dropshipping. Okay, so if you guys don't already know, I'm just going to go ahead and explain it to you guys. So it's a form of e-commerce, and in the industry of e-commerce there's a few platforms that you can buy and sell on. There's eBay, there's Shopify, there's Amazon, and within each of these platforms there's multiple different ways you can earn money. But in Amazon specifically, there's pretty much two ways people go about it. There's FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. That's where you buy items in bulk up front, like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 units at a time, whatever. But with that route, you have to be able to afford that much inventory up front, and you have to make sure that whatever you buy sells, so you're not just sitting on all that inventory. So there's quite a bit of risk involved with that route. So that's why I personally like dropshipping a lot more, because we never have any inventory on hand, and we don't have to spend any money until somebody buys something from us first. Okay, so let's say we have a few suppliers that we know and trust. Let's say one of our suppliers is selling us a chair for like 20 bucks. What we're gonna do is we're gonna list it on our Amazon store for like 30 or 40 bucks. Then after somebody buys it from us first, then we contact our supplier and have them ship it directly to the customer. So it's a pretty simple concept, but there's a lot of little moving parts to make the whole business run smoothly, which is what we're gonna train you guys on, okay? So I know there's other forms of dropshipping. Like I have quite a few people that hit me up from Shopify that are like, yo bro, how are you driving so much traffic towards your listings? And I just wanna let you guys know, with our method, we don't have to have our own website. We don't drive traffic towards our listings, and we don't do things like paid advertising, okay? So I've never spent a single penny on any advertising, okay? So with our method, we have a piggyback method. So we sell things on Amazon that are already selling and that are already popular, okay? So we don't have to do any of that marketing stuff. It's already done for us, and we leverage Amazon. And there was a statistic out that says 50% of all sales online are going to be coming from Amazon. So Amazon is a huge marketplace. It's trusted. So they've already done all that work for us. So we're just going to leverage that. Okay. So I hope that makes sense for you guys, and we'll see you guys in the course.